The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, pakiway. Thek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Fcra University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kajalan Conrad ki Sangma khalai terik unai lara ja hunrio. Ulabu Jingkylli yo President Keseng Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala hakabaydei bagatran Fcra. Bat kintui ginay lam bagin pelik jumut hakikam bat omtang hakasan pertai. Conrad Sangma habaljuba bagi Jingnoh jongba Pala baka MDA kan kersan ya ke Fcra bill ha parliament. Uloong baka Fcra bill jong sarkar pedeng mentang kalalit sa Joint Parliamentary Committee. Bat ke Jingkylli laka sarkar kan kersan ne persya kan mi tang hadian bala bishar banya ya ke jingtip bat ki kendon jong bil. Menteri Rangba ulapun pang ba upriang sobha ya ke Synñiang jong ke MLA ke UDP bat ke wi ginoy alam san perthai ki balik ya kendo yo menteri ketrat kampo yeng sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah banyak keran halor ke Fcra.
Basically the question of supporting or not supporting arises only after we see the details of any particular bill or act. Now the Fcra has been sent to the JPC. Details will be seen and discussed in that. So therefore the question of supporting, not supporting doesn't arise right now. I think what is important is the intent of individuals and leaders and political parties, because it's not about politics or taking credit or putting down a particular political party. I think what's important is the issue in front of us. So to be very frank, it sometimes I wonder why the politics takes over so much more than the issue itself. I don't know how many times Mapala has met Home Minister or even asked his leaders to meet and discuss and take up this issue at the Home Secretary level. So I think actions are important. One can always criticize and condemn anybody else. The question is, what have you done? What is your role? What is your contribution? And how are you contributing? I'm very happy the other day, the UDP MLAs had gone to meet Home Minister and discussed about Fcra. I saw other leaders from other political parties going and meeting. That's really what matters, you see. And again, yesterday also I was asked a question about the fact that some people are saying that, we didn't do enough for the Fcra. I was asked a question yesterday. And I think that's just not the point again, For us, what is important is the issue should be resolved. This is a matter that concerns our people. And we should ensure that we can do whatever we can to make sure that our people are protected. And I think that is what is important.
Iperti yang tau ki Ivan, kuwi ko prom kwa khanai phi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลักพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพโยได้
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สู้ยากระมอต่อระบนรายกระเต็มเอเทียร์ดีพี่ก็กองได้น่ะ
อยากขี้ผิวงานนี่นะมาแม่ขี้ผิวมาวันนี้ตะวันแหนมยาวฮะ
แม่สเตลงามสร้างเกี่ยวแบบเก่า
Saya minum perdi yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngak kuat amal lai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sampel desain gua ar, dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ya sampel desain.
Segini ke cek tu ram sarkar mah.
Kampung dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.